Shoot it.
What happened to my bottle, like, honestly? Watch the fire go completely and then it blows up. Where did the bottle even go? Oh, I see it.
Don't take my phone for a second. Hey, don't feel like take my phone. Keep going. Trust me. Don't do it. The fire's going.
No, because then you'll explode.
Joel, trust me. What?
You will explode. You throwing something at it? Fuck that. I can't. Yeah, what was it? Go.
Joel, come over here. Joel, come over here.
No, wait.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Do it now.
No, guys, seriously, let him put it in.
Does it look floated? It looks black.
That's racist. Bro, we ate too much chicken.
Go, run!
Run right now. That'll light.
This video is already a minute and 22 seconds.
Boss. You gotta edit the entire beginning of this out.
I can't edit anything on my iPhone.
Yes, you can. Dude, it's just starting to light. It's gone.
I helped it.
Oh, that was perfect.
It won't work.
Wow.
It rises and it's under.
What's it called that?
This isn't working.
Yeah, I know.
Ah!
Just wait until the can melts.
Yeah.
34 hours later. It's like buried in the fire now.
Yeah.
It'd be easy if you had TNT.
That was awesome!
Oh my god! Inside!
I can feel that! That was awesome! Could anyone else feel that?
Yes!
Oh my fuck!
Oh, that was fucking perfect!
Imagine if I was beside this with a paper. Boom! Okay, let's watch this video.
My video's forever.